Welcome to Principles of Marketing. We will be looking at Chapter 9, Marketing Research. Chapter 9's learning outcomes include defining marketing research and explaining its importance to marketing decision making, describing the steps involved in conducting a marketing research project, discussing the profound impact of the internet on marketing research, describe the growing importance of mobile research, discussing the growing importance of scanner-based research, explaining when marketing research should be conducted, and explain the concepts of competitive intelligence. Make sure you read the chapter and review all module content. Let's get started. The profound impact of the internet on marketing research. More than 90% of the U.S. marketing research companies conduct some form of online research. Online survey research has replaced computer-assisted telephone interview as the most popular mode of data collection. The specific advantages of internet surveys that are sent to mobile devices include rapid development, real-time reporting. Survey results can be in a client's hand in a significantly less time than would be required for traditional paper surveys. Dramatically reduced costs. The internet can cut costs by 20 to 40% and provide results in half the time. Personalized questions and data. Internet surveys can be highly personalized for greater relevance to each respondent's own situation, thus speeding up the response process. Improved respondent participants. Internet surveys take half as much time to complete as phone interviews. They can accomplish in the respondent's convenience and are much more stimulating and engaging. As a result, internet surveys enjoy a much higher response rate. And contact with hard-to-reach. Certain groups, such as doctors or high-income professionals, are among the most surveyed on the planet and are the most difficult to reach. But many of these groups are represented online. There are several basic methods for conducting online surveys: web survey systems, survey design and web hosting sites, and online panel providers. Web survey systems are software systems specifically designed for web questionnaire construction and delivery. They consist of integrated questionnaire design, web server, database, and data delivery program designed for use by non-programmers. Google consumer surveys. Google, with more than 1 billion unique visitors worldwide, has entered the do-it-yourself web survey arena. With Google consumer surveys, a visitor can gain access to the program to premium content by answering a couple questions instead of paying the fee. Surveys are limited to 10 questions. Basic demographic and location information are inferred from Google's big database. Google consumer surveys are fast and cheap, and the Pew Research Center has found that Google samples both conforms closely to overall internet population and is not biased towards heavy internet users. Online panel providers. Often researchers use online panel providers for a ready-made sample population. They pre-recruit people who agree to participate in online marketing research surveys. When people join online panels, they answer extensive profiling questionnaire that enables the panel provider to target research efforts to panel members who meet specific criteria. Some critics of online panels suggest that they are not representative of target population. Other claims the offering incentives to join a panel leads to bias and misleading results. A number of research firms are currently conducting focus groups online. The process is fairly simple. The research firm builds a database of respondents via a screening questionnaire on its website. When a client comes to a firm with a need for a particular focus group, the firm goes to its database and identifies individuals who appear to qualify. It sends an email to those individuals asking them to log onto a particular site at a particular time scheduled for the group. Many times these groups are joined by respondents on mobile devices. The firm pays them an incentive for their participation. The group operates in an environment similar to that of a chat room so that all participants see all questions and all responses. The firm captures the complete text of the focus group and makes it available for review after the group is finished. Many online groups are now conducted with audio and video feed as well. One advantage of this approach is that the respondent does not have to do any work to see the stimuli. There are many other advantages of online groups, such as better participation rates, cost effectiveness, broad geographic scope, and accessibility. A web community is a carefully selected group of consumers who agree to participate in an ongoing dialogue with particular corporations. All community interaction takes place on consumer-designed website. During the life of the community, which may last anywhere from 6 months to a year or more, community members respond to questions posed by the corporation on a regular basis. In addition to responding to the corporation's questions, community members talk to one another about the topics that are of interest to them. The growing importance of mobile research. Mobile survey traffic now accounts for approximately 30% of all interview responses. Nearly 1 in 4 mobile surveys are taken outside of the home. Often it's done at work. Mobile surveys are designed to fit into a brief crack of time that opens up when a person waits for a plane, an early appointment, or commutes to work on a train or stands in line. Marketers strive to engage respondents in the moment because mobile research provides immediate feedback when the consumer makes a decision to purchase, consumes a product, or experiences some form of promotion. 76% of surveys are completed on desktops, 70% on tablets, 59% on mobile phones. New response design technology automatically adjusts the content and navigation of a website to fit the dimensions and resolution of any screen it is viewed on. Scanner-based research. Scanner-based research is a system for gathering information from respondents by continuously monitoring the advertising, promotion, and pricing they're exposed to, and the things they buy. Scanner-based research also entails the aggregation of scanner data from retailers, analysis and identification of sales trends by industry, company, product line, and individual product. The variables measured are advertising campaigns, coupons, displays, and product price. The result is a huge database of marketing efforts and consumer behavior. InfoScan is a scanner-based sales tracking service for the consumer packaged good industry. Retail sales detailed consumer purchasing information and promotional activity by manufacturers and retailers are monitored and evaluated for all barcoded products. Data are collected weekly from supermarkets, drugstores, and mass merchandisers. Neuromarketing is the process of researching brain patterns and measuring certain physiological responses to marketing stimuli. It is a fresh attempt to better understand consumers' response to promotion and purchase motivators. Next, companies need to ask, when should marketing research be conducted? When managers have several possible solutions to a problem, they should not instinctively call for marketing research. Some companies have been conducting research in certain markets for many years. Such firms understand the characteristics of target consumers and their likes and dislikes for existing products. Under these circumstances, further research would be repetitive and a waste of money. The willingness to acquire additional decision-making information depends on managers' perception of its quality, price, and timing. Research should be undertaken only when the expected value of the information is greater than the cost of attaining. A key subset of data marketing management is customer relations management. The key to managing customer relations with customers is the CRM cycle. To initiate the CRM cycle, a company must identify customer relations with the organization. This may simply entail learning who the customers are or where they are located, or it may require more detailed information about the product and services they're using. Next, the company must understand the interactions with current customers. Companies accomplish this by collecting data on all types of communications a customer has with the company. Using this knowledge of its customers and their interactions, the company then can capture relevant customer data on interactions. Big data analytics are used not only to enhance the collection of customers' data, but also to store and integrate customer data throughout the company and ultimately to get to know the customers on a more personal level. Every customer wants to be the company's main priority. Yet not all customers are created equally. Consequently, the company must identify its profitable and unprofitable customers. Analytics transform customer data into customer information a company can use to make managerial decisions. Once customers' data are analyzed and transformed into usable information, the information must be leveraged. The company is trying to enhance customer relations by getting the right information to the right people in the right place at the right time. Derived from the military intelligence, competitive intelligence is an important tool for helping a firm overcome competitors' advantage. Competitive intelligence can help identify the advantage and play a major role in determining how it was achieved. Competitive intelligence helps managers assess their competitors and their vendors in order to become more efficient and effective competitors. Intelligence is analyzed information. It becomes decision-making intelligence when it has implications for the organization. Thank you for listening to the presentation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.